In the corporate jungle, where ambition roamed free, lived Alex, a maverick with a mischievous glee. He coded, he innovated, he brought ideas to life, until one fateful day, he cut like a knife. A non-compete clause, a paper so grim, forbade him from rivaling, from starting a new whim. But Alex, fueled by passion and a dash of defiance, launched his own startup, with no sign of compliance. Enter Jordan, the legal eagle, sharp, keen, and bold, whose legal battles were legendary, or so it was told. With a flick of her wrist, and a smirk quite sly, she sent Alex a summons, reaching for the sky. Not with dull legal jargon, or phrases obscure, but with emojis and GIFs, a new legal allure. A crying face here, a thumbs, down there, a dancing banana, a confused polar bear. Alex's inbox exploded, a rainbow of dread, each emoji a threat, filling his head. He tried to defend, to counter with wit, but Jordan's emoji barrage made him admit that fighting this battle was a digital plight, a hilarious skirmish, both day and night. Meanwhile, in the break room, the layoff rumors flew, whispered like secrets, among the office crew. Sarah from marketing, with her spreadsheet so neat, received a pink slip, bitter and sweet. She walked out with dignity, a brave, tearless stare, then tripped on a rug, sending papers in air. Mark from accounting, a man of routine, was told his position would no longer be seen. He packed his desk slowly, with a dramatic sigh, then accidentally wore his tie as an eye patch. Oh my! The office became a stage, for exits so grand, a symphony of mishaps, throughout the land. From coffee spills to pratfalls, each departure a show, turning corporate goodbyes into a comedic flow. Alex and Jordan, watching the scene unfold, realized the humor in stories yet untold. The moral of this tale, a lesson so true, even in chaos, laughter will see you through. So embrace the absurdity, the quirks and the jests, for a good laugh, dear reader, truly is best.